What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, link in the description for the merchandise. Don't forget to ring that notification bell.
All the bodies hit the flow. They wanted more. I give them more.
Alright guys, so we left the hotel. I had got a hold of my cousin, a bunch of family that lives here in Wichita, so I contacted them. They gave me the address from my uncle's house. Grew up together around there. He was featured in a whole bunch of different magazines and had his own shop and stuff. I made it over here to my uncle's house, you guys. I'm here with my cousin right now. He said this is one of his builds that he's got going on. It's on air ride. The top is all chopped.
Yep.
What is this thing?
49 Hudson.
It's a 49 Hudson?
Yep, Commodore, I believe.
Damn.
Shell,
Is there wheels on the back?
yeah. There should be. Yeah,
He said I'm gonna be pissed.
yeah. It has these, it has the whatever skirts, you know, that kind of.
Yeah, the skirts that cover it.
Yeah.
That's pretty sick, man.
Very good. I ain't done shit on it.
Yeah, but just getting it, and it's all shaved,
Yeah.
and it's a 4-door.
And then it's easy with the job.
Something.
Yeah.
Something newer.
I don't know.
Yeah, this is definitely a project, but the potential of what it could be is there.
Yeah. We have this front bumper that's on like an old.
Oh, like the chrome ones?
Yeah, like it, you know, there's some trouble down.
Yeah. We grew up, you guys, playing volleyball. Trampoline pretty much still there. They got a pond in the back over here. Our uncle would make these. He would cut them out, plasma cut them out.
Yep.
If you guys didn't know, we're native, so we're all into everything with it. Does it run?
This?
Yeah.
This thing runs pretty fast. Bro.
Does it?
Yeah, I hit a jump out there in the field, dude. I'm like, oh, yeah, for sure.
Hey, that shit's sick.
Yeah, this, I put a moped engine on it, and the frames came like that. But
Yeah,
I
that's
think
sick.
moped engine, you'll be alright. Fire it up, it sounded nasty.
Yeah.
For real. Like, what? No. I asked the trash guy, I was like,
Damn. Hey, if you guys understand where I get motivation from growing up and doing stuff is right here, because I grew up around my cousins. I don't want to put him on cam because he said not to, but growing up around my cousins, we had all nothing but lowrider bikes around us, making them and building them and putting different forks and everything on them. My whole family's in Wichita, so I don't really have anybody down in the town I'm in, so he's definitely over here building all types of stuff. Them things are still there?
what?
This was from when he went to school, didn't
Yeah.
he? Dude, that's
Yeah, I
crazy.
saved him.
It would be your brother, but
Yeah, cousin and dad.
yeah, cousin and dad, both of them, they did these paintings. They did mailboxes and all types of stuff, but they did these plates just out of sheets just to mess around. Yeah, learn the technique of airbrushing and doing like plastic bags. I remember them telling me about it and doing bubbles and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
It's definitely sick, you guys. This thing's fucking beast, though. That looks like some old school Evil
It is,
Knievel
dude.
shit,
It
bro. Yeah, that looks badass.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so we made it over here to the garage where one of the vehicles I was telling you about was in a magazine. He said it was in Custom Classics or like a trucking magazine, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
It was in a trucking magazine. I ordered this for my truck back in the day. It makes it look like one of the vehicles from Cars.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. The car kind of looks like.
Isn't that dope? I think they chopped it at the firewall. Different suspension from another vehicle. It rides hella smooth, especially how slammed it is.
Yeah. Alright, yeah.
But I'll show you guys right now and let's check it out. It's crazy to see all the little tiny details like pinstriping and everything else. Like,
Yeah, our buddy Chad Ward, he's out in Valley Center, did that. Him and his mom actually is the one who like got into it.
yeah.
Yeah, she's sick, but
All right, guys. So, like I was explaining to you guys, this is the front end off of a Mustang or a LTD, right?
yeah,
Or
I believe so.
you can see right here is where they chopped the frame and added the other frame on there and welded it up. Every single thing on here is completely unique.
Individually.
So basically, it's just it would just be marked or what?
From my understanding, it was like a stamp, and then you move it down the line.
All right, guys. So I'll add a link in the description if I can find a website. I remember looking back a long time ago. There was a website that was Garcia Garage that somebody had did like his whole shop and about everything. And I remember coming across it a long time ago. This is one of the last builds that they built fully and got done. He used to do a lot of car flipping and building cars and selling them and customizing and doing stuff. And most of the custom work that's done was all done here. In the garages and stuff, you know. The one shop where the bikes were at was like paint booth area where they had painted it.
There's that flag. My dad's.
Most of the stuff in this garage, you guys, is in the same exact spot as it was like 15 years ago. I swear, like seeing this stuff everywhere brings back so many memories just being in this house or just being around here.
Yeah, like some of that, either the reflective stuff on it, will do the same to mine.
It's dope growing up around here and seeing this, but they chopped down a bunch of trees that were in this area over here, and my older cousin, they just got done building this house right here for them. They also got a horse over there in that area, and then they got a pond back here. It's got a lot of algae in it right now. Where's the frogs at? Yeah. like the biggest ice cream cone ever.
Lies. Nah, bro. Lies.
So this one time when I used to work here, you guys.
Keep down. This is getting lucky now.
Last one. Bam. That's the whole block.
Break it down low, take it to the ground. I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I'm used to you. Fucking do you? So I gotta do it. Can't do it. Get it. Cold. Run it up. Get it up. Weed like a rust. Smoke weed like a rust. She call me Papa. Tell me spurs like buckets. Spurs like bucket. You know they can't stop us. Keep my mind at ease.